You need to send a text with a link to the email template you want customers and prospects to open and read. Let me say that again. You need to send a text with a link to the email templates that you want customers and prospects to open and read. Now, if your technology does not make it easy for you to attach an email to a text, then you're going to have to do it manually. But the return is what's worth the effort. What do you mean do it manually? I mean, you're going to have to take that email. You may have to scan it. You may have to screen capture it. You may have to turn it into a Word document. And then you're going to take that Word document and you're going to load that into a system that allows that document to get turned into a link, which most of your tools will allow that to happen. That document will become a link. And then you're going to have to take that link and manually put it into a text message. Guys, here's the thing I want you to understand. Just because it's not easy does not mean it's not effective. Okay? Just because it's not easy does not mean it's not effective. So you want to make sure that you are texting a link with an email template that you want that customer to open and read. That could be an endorsement. That could be a policy. That could be a mortgagee change, a certificate of insurance. It doesn't really matter. You want to be able to do that.
Thank you for taking time out of your day to listen to this information and wisdom-packed audio session. This session is taught by Dr. Billy R. Williams, CEO of the Williams Family Investment Group. Currently, a group of 160-plus partner insurance agencies that generate over $1 billion a year in new and renewal insurance premiums. Make sure you download this session to your mobile device so you can listen and re-listen at your convenience.
Thanks for showing up for our weekly 15-minute Lunch and Learn. Today, we're going to talk about how to generate revenue using email and text message templates in your technology tools. My name is Dr. Billy Williams, president of Inspire Nation Business Mentoring and president of the Williams Family Investment Group. So I'm very excited that you would be here with me today. So let's jump right into it. I want you to think of email templates like real estate. Location, location, location. Where are people seeing you? Are they seeing your email templates? Are they seeing your text message templates? Where's the location that they're actually looking at this? Are they looking at it in their office? Are they looking at it on their phone? Are they looking at it, at their home computer? Where's the location? And more importantly, what are you doing with the space that's on your email and text message templates? Is that space generating revenue? Or is that space just passing on general information? How many people pass the location every single day? Meaning, how many email templates are going out of your office every single day? How many emails are being sent? How many text messages are being sent every single day? And are you maximizing those emails and are you maximizing those text messages? That's why I keep bringing up location, location, location. What are you doing with the space? Let's look at some email statistics. More and more outbound emails are getting caught in spam filters. 72% of the emails that are being sent, according to the Association of National Advertising, are being caught in spam filters. That's why we constantly have to tell our people, check spam. If I'm in your spam, take me out of your spam. Make sure you mark me as a preferred sender, all those things that we're doing. But if you want to lower that number, replies to an email lower that number to approximately 25%. So when you email something out, 72% of the emails you send out are getting caught in spam. But when you reply to an email that was sent to you, only 25% are getting caught in spam. You'll see why that's important as we continue on our training. The best way to not get caught in spams in a spam filter is to send a transactional reply to a contact. Send a transactional reply email to a contact. That's the best way to make sure that they see your email. What do I mean by transactional reply? This means you're replying to an email that they sent to you that's not a sales-based email, but more of a transaction-based email. Let's talk about text message statistics. 75% of all text messages are read within the first 5 minutes of being sent. 98% of all text messages are read within a 24-hour period. Almost 100% of text messages are read, 98%.